Today we will study the chromosome numbers of all organisms which are given in your NCERT within 2 minutes. You see here butterfly, the chromosome number of butterfly, you know? Yes, for that we can draw one butterfly. For this I written 8. Then for its wing I drawn 3. Then 0. Okay, from this butterfly picture you will get the number 380. So what is the number of chromosomes in butterfly? 380. So you must able to find out the number 380 from butterfly. Okay, hope you won't forget chromosome number in butterfly. Studied? Yes. Next, for the dog. You know, now I am drawing a dog symbol using 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. So you can remember this figure for the dog. So the chromosome number in dog, it is 78. Chromosome number in dog is 78. So we studied butterfly 380, then dog 78. Cat. Now for the cat, draw its beautiful ears, then using 8 its body. Cat. So here is its head just like 3 and body as 8. So the chromosome number in cat is 38. For the cat, so we studied 3, butterfly 380, dog 78 and cat then 38. Next, apple. We can draw one apple, then draw one twig, and this apple size looks like that of the number 3 and its twig looks like that of 4. So number of chromosome in apple 34. So we studied butterfly 380, dog 78, cat 38 and apple 34. So for the apple, the chromosome number is 34. For the fruit fly, you can draw one small 8. That's enough. For the butterfly bigger one, we can draw bigger wings and everything. But for the fruit fly, we drawn only 8. The beginning of fruit, that of butterfly 8. So fruit fly 8. Now you see this corn, maize. For that you can find out the number 20 from its writing itself. So it is 20 for the maize. Then for the rice, you can add 4 to the maize. Okay, rice, or you add 4. Otherwise from the writing rice letters also you can find out 24. There is 24. Anyhow, maize and rice are related, so you can find out it is you can relate that 24. For the rice it is 24. Yes. Yes, rice 24. So corn 20, rice 24. And you know who is the enemy of rice? When you store the rice, who is the enemy? Yes, a rat. So just invert that rat, or you will get 24 inversion, inverted that rat, 42. So for the rat it is 42. Rice 24, rat 42. Don't forget. So maize 20, rice 24 and rat 42. Now for the potato. For the potato, you can read it as potato. So potato, you write potato. So it is 48. Potato, sound relation 48. So you studied corn 20, rice 24, rat 42, potato 48. Then for the onion, we can draw one onion and its leaf. So onion bulb I drawn just like 3. See, from the onion bulb, when you cut, you can find out the letter 3. Then here is the leaves. So here the number of chromosome number in onion, how much? Yes, 32. So we studied corn 20, rice 24, rat 42, and potato 48, onion 32. So that's all. Now we can conclude this. What we learned, that we can conclude. So butterfly 380, so we can conclude that butterfly 380, fruit fly 8, apple 34, dog 78, cat 38. Next, for the maize, it is 20, and the rice 24, and for the rat 42. And onion 32. And one more is there which is having the largest number of chromosomes, it's Ophioblossom. For the Ophioblossom, the number of chromosomes in Ophioblossom, it is a fern, 1260. Ophioblossom is the fern in which you see the largest number of chromosomes, that is in Ophioblossom fern, 1260. And 1 point extra you have to remember, housefly, it is 12. So students, if you study these chromosome number of all these organisms, you can do a lot of problems related to endosperm ploidy, chromosome number in endosperm, embryo like this. You can post your difficult topics or your doubt in comment box. Goodbye.